guys, we're going to be grading 11-3, which is classroom practice 50. So we're going to start on exercise 1. Number 1 is pattern 4, parentheses, NP. The A evenings, OP, parentheses, in the evening should be underlined twice. My PPA, father, SN, my father is underlined, slash is LV. The A manager, predicate noun, parentheses, AP. The A theater, OP, parentheses, NP, town, OP, parentheses, is to town, should be underlined twice. D at the end. Number 2 should be pattern 4. His PPA, speech, SN, slash was LV, and A, informative, adjective, message, predicate noun, parentheses about P, the A, extinction, OP, parentheses, of P, many, ADJ, species, OP, parentheses, D. Moving on to exercise 2, mayor, number 1, mayor should be underlined. It is singular, rule 1, mayor, apostrophe S, mayor's agenda. Number 2 is Russ, should be underlined. Singular, rule 1, Russ's, so it'd be R-U-S-S apostrophe S, Russ's dad. Number 3, donkeys should be underlined, plural, rule 2, donkeys, and then it'd be an apostrophe after the S, donkeys' ears. 4, Joneses should be underlined, plural, rule 2, Joneses, and it would be an apostrophe after that last S. 5, computer should be underlined, singular, rule 1, computer, apostrophe S, computers, virus. 6, women, plural, rule 3, women, so be W-O-M-E-N, apostrophe S, women's forum. 7, farmer should be underlined, plural, rule 2, farmers, an apostrophe after the S, farmers' crops. 8, river should be underlined, singular, rule 1, river, apostrophe S, rivers, current. 9, men should be underlined, plural, rule 3, men, apostrophe S, men's clothes. 10, wife, apostrophe S, and then wives, W-I-V-E-S, apostrophe. 11, eagle, apostrophe S, eagles, and then eagles, E-A-G-L-E-S, apostrophe. 12, turkey, apostrophe S, and then turkeys, T-U-R-K-E-Y-S, apostrophe. Number 13, louse, apostrophe S, so louses, and then lices, L-I-C-E, apostrophe S, so louse is the singular form of lice. Ew. Number 14, rodeo, or radio, radio, apostrophe S, radios, and then radios, R-A-D-I-O-S, apostrophe. 15, child, apostrophe S, and then children's, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, apostrophe S. And then 16, calf, apostrophe S, and then calves, C-A-L-V-E-S, apostrophe. 17, cloud, apostrophe S, and then clouds, C-L-O-U-D-S, apostrophe. And then last one for exercise 2, 18, church, apostrophe S, and then churches, C-H-U-R-C-H-E-S, apostrophe. We're going to go ahead and skip exercise 3 because we did this with the class, but if you need to double check your work, go ahead and pause this video now. And then we have exercise 4, which is capital K, K, I, her brother, angrily, period. Capital T, this was going to, T-O-O, far, period. Capital H, her voice snapped as she said, comma, quotation marks. Capital Y, you are really the pits, period. Capital W, who do you think you are, comma. Capital M, Mr., period. Capital B, big. Capital S, shot, question mark, quotation marks. Quotation marks, capital I, apostrophe, I'm your brother, period, capital I, apostrophe. I'm the one who has to, T-O, pass the salt, period, capital Y. You are my sister, period, capital Y. You are the one who has to say, comma, single quotation, capital I, love you, comma, capital R, Robert, single quotation, period, quotation marks. Thanks. And go ahead and submit your score in the assignments tab under 11-3 submission in the Microsoft Forms. Thanks.